Hey, I'm Tony Zach with Mr. Sparky of Myrtle Beach. You might think your ears are playing tricks on you when you hear a humming or buzzing noise somewhere in your home. You can search for the source by using an ear trumpet strategy or a microphone headphone set. Hums from appliances such as the refrigerator motor are pretty normal. Other potentially dangerous sources might be light bulbs, fixtures, older meters, wiring, outlets, and circuit breakers. These should be checked by an electrician if you hear a problem. Get all your repairs done right and safely with the pros at Mr. Sparky of Myrtle Beach.